Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my collection on squishies, popping cooking, and some remains and plushies. Basically. Okay, so yeah, so there is popping cooking only wrappers. Sorry for the background noise because it's my sister. If you can see her watching the TV video. Okay, there are some wrappers of popping cooking and some squishies and some plushies and some remains. uh, so I'm gonna start with the popping cooking first. Okay, so the first popping cooking I have is this gummy kit from Crazy. This one and this one from Crazy. By the way, I've got 5 more popping cooking coming in the way. From Napa, Japan. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you my squishies. If you can hear me. So I've got this toast bread with a keychain. The face came out because you know why. It will come out by itself. It's really squishy, really soft, and this is the softest of all squishy I have. Actually, I already did my squishy collection on some other my other video. If you know my other video, you can check that out if you go to my channel. Okay, so I've got this burger and another burger with a pancake, and burger with melon and a soupy. So I'm just going to take it out. So I've got this pancake. Got this. And I got this burger, which is the softest of all. I have 3 of them. So this is the softest. I got open the other bag. I've got this Snoopy with a tag. And in my opinion, I think that this is rare. If anyone seen anybody have this, please comment down below. And sub and like. Yeah, that's what everybody says. This part is kind of defected. So yeah, I was really sad. So, but it's kind of soft and kind of squishy, I guess. I've got this. Oh, just showed you that one. I've got this melon bun. I got this burger thing. So it's a happy face. So yeah. I've got a panda bun, which is really defected. There's the pink bow one. Pink bow. So it's really squishy. Got this. I've got this. Two of them. Which is the protection. I've got this one, which is kind of defected. It has a crack here. This one is actually softer than this one is actually softer than this one. So yeah, this one is a lot more squishier than this one. So yeah. I've got this turtle. I've got this bun, yellow one. It's actually kind of squishy, if you can see it. And we have this blush bun. It's a minion one. I have two of them. I've got this sandwich with this cake, donut. I have this purple filling with white drizzle. It's kind of squishy, soft. I've got two sandwiches. One is this. So the other one, this is a plain one. So yeah, I've got this. So I've got three more squeeze toys. So I got the P and I've got this. If you can see that. That is one I think because of the lightning. I've got yellow one. I've got pink one. And that is all. I've got some plushies over here. This is a Nyoko. This is one. So I've got number 1 and number 4. Sorry, I think it's it's number 4 is here. So yeah, got two of them. And I've got this Minnie Mouse Racer, which is going to fix this thing first. Minnie Mouse Racer in a dolphin costume with a pink bow on top. It's licensed over here. It says Disney Run. Yeah, I've got this one, which is in a capsule. Just gonna open it. It's actually new. I did not open it because the last time it was kind of tight for me. So I've got this Minnie Mouse Racer in don't know what costume with a red bow. So this is licensed too. Yeah. Okay, same Disney ones. So we can no matter. And that is all I have from my collection. Wait, I've got something. So wait a moment. I've got this jumbo penguin bun. So this part here is really squishy. So there's an air bubble here. So it's really squishy. I'll show you the air bubble here. And this is the air bubble, which is defected. So yeah, actually this is the pink one, but it's also defected here. So yeah. Okay, so that is all for my squishy collection. Thanks guys, and please sub and like and comment. Bye.